In this video, I'm going to give you guys 8 tips and tricks for thrift shopping for cameras. Hey everybody, welcome back to Run and Gun. I'm JT, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, support the channel, and I don't want you to miss out on any of my photography tips or tricks videos like this one. And again, in this video, we're going to talk all about thrift shopping for cameras. I love going out and I love hunting for camera gear at thrift stores. It's a ton of fun. It is a thrill and a rush when you find a camera. So let's get right into these tips and tricks. My first tip is to get out as early as possible. Look up when your local thrift shops open. Get out there early when they open so that you find that camera before somebody else does. My second tip is more stores equal more chances to find cameras. Sometimes you will get skunked and you won't find anything. I've been to 5-6 stores before I actually found a camera. I usually like to go out on Saturdays personally, get out very early and hit as many stores as I can, grab some lunch in between. But again, the more stores, the more chances you have of actually finding that camera and running across that treasure versus if you only try one shop and you just give up after that. So remember, don't give up. Keep looking and eventually you will find something cool. My third tip is look everywhere. Dig through boxes, dig through bins, open suitcases. I can't tell you how many times I found a cool film camera that's been in the bottom of some other case covered up by junk or shirts or whatever else. So take your time, look underneath things, pick things up as much as you're allowed to, and that's part of the thrill of the hunt. It's there, you just gotta find it. My fourth tip is to get crafty. What do I mean by that? I mean, look for other things, look for props, look for costumes, look for things that you can take photographs of. Some of the best scores that I've had aren't necessarily cameras. For example, I got this stool that I was sitting on at a thrift store for just like $2. There are always cool, unique things out there to photograph, so be thinking about that when you're looking for camera gear as well. Tip number 5 for thrift shopping for cameras is to have a plan. Before you go out, know exactly where you're gonna go. Nobody wants to get hungry, have a place to have lunch in the middle of the day to take a break. You can go with a friend if you want to, but it's important to have your day planned out at least a little bit. Know where the thrift shops are so you're not wasting time looking things up on your phone while other people are out hunting cameras. Tip number 6 is to be open-minded. Don't have blinders on. It's okay to have a goal in mind. Maybe you're looking for a Canon AE1 or a Polaroid camera, but keep that open mind. Again, the example I gave earlier for photography props, things you can photograph versus actual cameras, you're gonna find a lot more cool things if you have an open mind. Tip number 7 is to remember to have fun. This should be fun. It should be an adrenaline rush when you find a camera, but I know sometimes it's a letdown when you don't find a camera. Remember that tip to keep trying new stores, keep trying new places. Sometimes that means maybe driving to another city. I drive up to Denver all the time to check out those thrift stores, and I just spend the day up there looking around. So try new cities, try new places, have fun, and remember it's a hunt and it's an adventure, and it's all supposed to be fun. And last but not least, tip number 8 is try antique stores. I love thrift shopping. I love thrift stores. The prices are great. You can always find a camera for just a couple bucks. But remember to try antique stores in your search as well. Now, antique stores are usually a little more expensive. Some of them are a lot more expensive. But look around, see what they have to offer, and you might just find exactly what you're looking for at an antique store. So those are 8 tips for finding camera gear at thrift shops. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Help out the channel by sharing this video with a photography friend you think might enjoy this content. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single photography tips, tricks, or hacks video. That's all for this video. I will see you guys next weekend. And until next time, get out and go shoot.